Respected teachers, good morning, everybody. I am very happy to share my views with all legendary teachers. Today, we are going to discuss about the portfolio activity 16, module 16, pre-vocational education. What is the objective of pre-vocational education? Preparing students for participation in work experience as a desired dimension of academic education and to inculcate healthy values related to work culture. That is about the objective of pre-vocational education. Next, we move on to the portfolio activity. This is our portfolio activity 60. Here we have to create a lesson plan integrating the pre-vocational skills with a theme of your choice or the subject. First is we have to select a topic or theme in the subject you teach. Identify the pre-vocational skills that can be integrated in that topic. Third one is write a lesson plan with all the activities that you will be organizing for teaching the pre-vocational skills that you have identified. Conduct some activities related to the themes in art, science, craft, agriculture, technology, etc. and prepare on an e-portfolio with photographs. Next, lesson plan. Here I selected English subject for class 3, chapter 2 and the topic is the recipe book. The concept is identification of pre-vocational skills. Objectives. Students will be able to know different things in kitchen, learn about the concept of work experience, to understand pre-vocational skills as pedagogical tool, to integrate the art, ICT, science, agriculture, joyful learning, etc. with the subject. The students will be able to appreciate cooking different recipes or dishes, to identify the activities required to achieve the objectives of the pre-vocational education in primary schools. These are about the objectives. Next, we will go to the activity. First, before going to the activity, preliminary interaction is there. For preliminary interaction, first we will go through the pre-reading activity. What is pre-reading activity? The reading activity which is carried before reading. Here the strategy I followed is for whole class activity. Before going to preliminary interaction, first I have shown this picture to the students. With this picture, I make the students to interact with the student, the teacher. Then activity 1. With these following questions, I make the children to interact with the teacher. The children has to respond actively. First, I am asking the first question. Where is the girl in the picture? The students will give their response. What is she holding in her right hand? Name at least 5 things you see in the picture. What is the girl saying? Do you help your mother in her work? By asking the questions like this, we have to make the children to interact with the teacher. This is about the pre-reading activity. Then we will move on to the reading activity. A reading activity, the lesson is the recipe book. This activity we should go through the page numbers 14 to 15 in English reader. Then after a reading activity, completion of reading activity, we will go for post-reading. Post-reading means after completion of pre-reading and reading activity, we will go for post-reading. Here the student get the following pre-vocational skills from the above lesson. What are the pre-vocational skills here? The personal skills, occupational skills and social skills, academic skills and recreational skills. First we will go through the first pre-vocational skill is personal skill. Here the people knows the simple recipes. For example, making an omelette. The process is shown in the picture. Then making an pancake, making tea, making coffee. Like that, these are the simple recipes that the students can get from this lesson. Then second pre-vocational skill is occupational skills. Students prepare tea, coffee, etc. fruits and vegetable carving. Here in these pictures, the students can know how to carve the fruits and vegetables. Here the students used orange and potato, and with the help of carrot they can make a cat. Like this, by showing one of a demo to the students, then they can carve the fruits and vegetables. Next is social skills. Orders items of his her choice in a hotel or restaurant, helps others, stands in queue while entering into the theater or hotel, or at the time of taking tickets, wherever it is, the children they stand in queues. This is about the social skills the children will get from this lesson. Next vocational skill is academic skills. In this lesson, from this lesson, the students know about the things we use in the kitchen. They write the plural forms of kitchen things. They know about the personal pronouns, that is he, she, it, etc. The following are some of the kitchen things the children will know. Next pre-vocational skill is recreational skills. Students show interest in cooking and making activities, etc. This is the peak about the students which they show interest in cooking. Next, projects. Here the children has given the opportunity to make flashcards of fruits and vegetables, etc. Then homework. Draw the different kitchen things and color them. How do you help your parents in kitchen? Then this is the oral activity. Last one is oral activity. Here the student has to say about the recipe for making lemon juice. Then assessment. Points should be given for better performance and active involvement in the process. For better performance and active involvement, 3 points. Average performance and active involvement, 2 points. Poor performance and poor involvement, 1 point. Like this, we have to assess the children's performance. Next, we will go for e-portfolio activities. The following are some of the activities related to art, science, craft, and agriculture. This is an art or integrating activity. Then craft integrating activity. These are the 3D fruits made with dye papers, that is color A4 size paper. These are the crafts of vegetables and fruits. Next, science integrating activity. This is by using bulb, needle, the electric wire. We make this science integrating activity. This is called electric potato bulb. Next e-portfolio activity, that is agriculture. These are some of the e-portfolio activities which I selected related to this content. Thank you one and all. Stay tuned for upcoming portfolios presented by G. Lakshmi Nasama, SGT, MPPS Guttur, Penkonda, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. See you later. Thank you once again. Thank you.